Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a great day. Today, I will teach you how to add text to home screen on your Android smartphone like this one you see right here. If you want to easily access notes or have a text to be the first thing you see when you open your phone, adding a text to your home screen is the way to go. The procedure is as easy as pie, so make sure you follow every step. First thing you have to do is hold the home screen, not an app because this will appear. You have to hold the screen where there is no app, and after a few seconds, your phone will do something like this. What this does is it allows you to customize your home screen. But let's talk about that in another video. What we're really looking for is the widgets button. I want you to tap it and then we will see different widgets appear. Clock, weather, and many more. Let's slide in and select notes. Now there are two types of notes available in my phone. Maybe you'll have more options, maybe you'll have less. It doesn't really matter what kind of note you want to select. It's just a matter of preference. What I want is this notes display. If it shows that the page has insufficient space, all you have to do is move some apps or add the note on another page. So we'll go ahead and tap our preferred style of note. After tapping it, we'll see our recent notes. We can just go ahead and make a new one. We can put a title in it, how to add text to home screen. And the description is whatever you want. Hit save. If you want to adjust its size, just hold and drag the bottom corner. If you want to remove it, just hold it and click remove. And that is how we add text to our home screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.